Okay, hello everyone. I'm right here. Yeah, we're going to take a look at this worksheet. We're going to calculate some z-scores. All right. I just kind of think of it simply like z equals the value minus the mean over the standard deviation. Sometimes these problems, though, they tell you what the difference is. Okay, they instantly tell you what it is. So let's just look at the problems. It says here a normal distribution of scores has a standard deviation of 10. Find the z-scores corresponding to each of the following values. But I'm just going to set them up for you. All right? A score that's 20 points above the mean. Now they're telling you right there that the difference is 20. The difference is 20. They're not telling you what the value is. They're already telling you it's 20 points above the mean. So this top is 20. The bottom is the standard deviation. It's 10. Okay, you should be able to figure that out. Again, a score that is 10 points below the mean. This is saying negative 10. All right, 10 points below the mean. Again, 15 points above. I'll put it over here. And 30 below. Always use 10. That's the standard deviation. All right? And just keep going. Normal distribution is a standard deviation of 10. Find the z-scores corresponding to each of the following values. Okay, a score of 60, where the mean score of the sample data value is 40. So the score is 60, that's the value, minus the mean is 40. The standard deviation again is 10. And you should be able to get it from there. Hello? Did something happen? Okay. I score 30 points below the mean. So that's 30 below the mean. They're already telling you it's 30 below the mean. The mean again was 10. Something must have happened to my computer there for a minute. A score of 80, where the mean of the sample is 30. So again, the score is 80. The mean is 30. And again, the standard deviation is 10 for all of these for number 2 right here. Okay? Last one, a score of 20. Mean is 50. So again, this is 20 minus 50. This is going to end up being a negative number. All right? Number 3, it's about IQ scores. You have a mean of 100. Standard deviation is 16. Albert Einstein reportedly had an IQ of 160. What's the difference between Einstein's IQ and the mean? All right? This problem, you're sort of working it out step by step. How many standard deviations is that? Well, it's 60 divided by 16. It says converted to a z-score. That is the z-score. Whatever you get here, that's the z-score. And if we consider unusual IQ scores to be those that convert z-scores between -2 and 2. All right, that's what usual is. Because remember, that's 95% of the data. Is Einstein's IQ usual or unusual? Now, obviously, his is higher. All right? His is going to be a positive number. If it's larger than 2, then his IQ is unusual. All right? Again, I'll let you decide that. Looks like it's bigger than 2. All right, number 4. A woman's heights have a mean 63.6 inches. Standard deviation, 2.5 inches. Find the z-score corresponding to a woman with a height of 70 inches and determine whether the height is unusual. And it's unusual if the z-score is larger than 2 or smaller than -2. All right. So, height of 70 minus the mean is right here, 63.6. Standard deviation is 2.5. All right, that's the setup. Put it in your calculator. Again, I don't know what it is. If this number is bigger than 2, then this is unusual. If it's less than 2, then it's more usual, okay? 3 students take equivalent stress tests. Which is the highest relative score? Means which is the largest z-score value, okay? It's a good way to compare. Right, we have to kind of hustle here. Score 144 minus 128 over 34. All right, that's the value minus the mean over the standard deviation. Take a look at the next one. Score 90. Mean of 86. Standard deviation of 18, okay? Last one, score of 18. Mean of 15. Standard deviation of 5. All right, just find out which one is the highest z-score. All right, the highest relative score. Okay? Last one, all this data has a mean of 25 and a standard deviation of 5. All right, all of these. So all of them, the bottom is 5. The mean is 25. All right, this is 39. 125. This is 18. And this is 11. Okay, guys, those are all set up. Give it a try. All right, don't forget to take the exit ticket then. All right, you should be able to know how to calculate a z-score. All right, thanks. That's it.